What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it is time to prep the E36 for another drift event here in a couple days. So tomorrow I'm actually heading down to FD, Texas for the Formula Drift down there at Texas Motor Speedway. And then Sunday I'm actually drifting the E36 in the Lone Star Series. However, I don't have a cage, so I cannot compete or tandem, but I can still drive. A couple things I need to do to the E36 before we load her up. It's in the air right now because I'm currently doing the motor mounts. I have the Condor ones, actually working with Condor on some stuff, so big shout out to them. But right now I need to go ahead and snag these back tires off this thing and get them loaded up. I believe this is the one. Yeah, this one's a good tire. The other one is done. So I need to snag the back tires off of this and get them loaded up in the truck. I actually have 4 brand new Kumho tires, 2 here, 2 there. I'm gonna try those out. They weren't too expensive, and I think they're a little bit better quality than the eBay ones I usually run. Like these here, they just kind of peel away from the side, delaminate. Like over here on this side, I have plenty of tread left. Like that's definitely a few more laps, and right here it just peels away and kind of robs you of all that. So hopefully these higher quality tires will not do that. Oh, also, I got a bit of a power steering leak here. Whenever I put the jack under the oil pan to raise it up for the motor mounts, I believe I jacked it up a little bit too high and pulled one of the power steering lines out. So all my fluid is currently gone. I'll go ahead and fix that a little bit later. Also, if you did not watch the last video, my shock tower, strut tower, you see right there, it's actually pulled through. It's supposed to look like that, and it's broken. So I have some reinforcement plates I need to go ahead and place in there. Also have a new shock coming in because this is the old one here and it is actually blown. So I need to get that fixed here later when that other shock comes in. Good news, guys, finally got myself an Impact, this little Milwaukee one. I think I paid like 225 bucks for this, the battery and the charger. So this is actually my first time using it. Let's see how she does. Just got the tires mounted on the way back to the house. Hopefully those coilovers came in, because if not, we're gonna have to run the one that's already blown out. So hopefully the other set of eBay coilovers came in. I didn't have a chance to get any better ones than the eBay ones, and I think the one that blew out actually has a warranty. I'll have to see on that. We are back in business, boys. Coilovers came in. I thought I'd try the red one this time since the orange one blew up over there. So gotta go ahead, do that. Also got the Condor reinforcement plates. Also got a set off eBay. I kind of just wanted to see the difference. And it looks like the Condor ones are a bit bigger, so I probably will go with the Condor ones for the rear shock that blew out, that pulled through. Right now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the motor mounts and transmission mounts. I'm not gonna film a whole lot for you guys. I'm actually making a video for Condor on the install of that. I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out and we can get on to fixing the rear shock. A little update on E36, just got the motor mounts in. I need to go ahead and lower the motor down on the mounts, tighten them up, and start on the transmission. And then we can get on to the suspension work. So it's a little bit later in the evening. Getting the car all situated up, got the motor mounts and transmission mounts in. Jordan's helping me finish up a radiator hose currently. And now it is time for the rear shock.
Oh, that is so zoomed in.
Wait, the trunk light?
It's just draining my battery.
Why don't you just take the bulb out?
Working on it. We got it.
Why is the light so on?
Oh! We didn't get it.
Visors, watch the...
Now it's not gonna drain my battery.
Come on!
If you cleared my path more, I could get some more angles.
I feel you also said on the corner.
Might get a little mini hammer. Matt?
Alright, well, you've got 5 minutes of footage so far.
Oh, that's good. Well, I hammered it back into place, and now I have these reinforcement plates. I have one from Condor and one from eBay. It looks like the Condor one's actually a little bit better. So what I'm actually going to do is run the Condor one on top and the eBay one underneath, and just kind of double plate sandwich the thin sheet metal. And we got another eBay coilover. We went with the red this time. Hopefully we have better luck with it. We'll see. That does not do anything. It does a little something.
It reinforces.
It reinforces. We're gonna give it a try. So we just finished up the rear shock on the E36, and I think it's a little bit too tucked, so I'll have to adjust it probably tomorrow. And now currently we're snagging the power steering cooler is what broke on this thing, on the red one outside, get it on this one in here, and I believe we'll be good to go for tomorrow. And then all we'll have to do is load up tonight and hit the road in the morning. We just got it running good. Jordan's topping off some fluid. So it's about 2 o'clock in the morning right now. We're gonna go ahead and get on the trailer and leave tomorrow about 8 a.m. Get down there to Dallas, the Texas Motor Speedway, probably about 2 or so. So these solid motor mounts, I definitely feel a little bit of a difference, but I think it'll be good overall. Got some good mounts for the engine and transmission. If you need some Condor mounts, go ahead, check the link down in the description. Also got a discount code for you guys. It'll be on the screen right here, so you can buy some stuff for your E36, E46, E30. It's valid for about 30 days from now, so go ahead and check that out. We're gonna go ahead and finish packing it up. We'll catch back with you guys in the morning. It'll probably be a separate video of the whole drift event at Texas Motor Speedway. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching again, guys. Have a good one.